Acid Rain. Enjoy the show on Acid. Acid Rain is a broad term referring to a mixture of It doesn't work, I don't see. Can I?
You can't see?
I can't see the papers when I'm like that.
I don't know.
Yeah?
Yeah.
The acid content of a solution is based... Oh.
Hi.
I'm not ready yet!
That's because the battery's dying.
Oh, it's freaking hot! Okay. Alex, what do I do? Is it filming? Good evening, world. Welcome to the health science segment on Acid Rain. Good evening, world. Welcome to the health science portion of Acid Rain. Good evening, world. Welcome to the health science portion of Acid Rain. This is caused by sodium sulfur. Good evening, world. Welcome to tonight's portion. Good evening, world. Welcome to the health science portion on Acid Rain. Good evening, world. Welcome to tonight's health science portion on Acid Rain. Are you done? No, I'm dick-hearted. Good evening, world. Welcome to tonight's health science segment on Acid Rain. I just breathe.
Stand a bit behind the water because
I can't hear anything.
I know, you speak really, really loudly.
Acid Rain!
No, go back. You're making the water all come out and coming everywhere. Move back.
What?
Move back!
But now I'm not reading. I don't get it.
It's all coming out everywhere.
What?
I know you can hear me.
I actually can though, I swear to God, it's like banging against my eardrum.
No, but
Thank you.